Welcome to Camp Easy RV's YouTube channel, where we make it easy to RV.
Check out the brand new 2026 Keystone Zinger 390Db travel trailer. This impressive double-bedroom floor plan delivers residential comfort with serious RV capability. The sleek fiberglass exterior, large power awning with LED lighting, and massive pass-through storage make it perfect for extended trips or full-time living. This Zinger is designed for families, guests, and anyone who loves to travel without sacrificing comfort. Step inside and you'll immediately notice the open layout, modern finishes, and residential feel. The entertainment center features a large TV paired with an electric fireplace that adds both warmth and a cozy focal point to the living area. The comfortable sofa offers the perfect place to relax after a day of adventure. Next to the sofa, the dinette provides a great space for meals, work, or game night. Now let's take a look at this spacious kitchen designed for real cooking on the road. Starting at the sink, you get a large stainless basin with a high-rise faucet and plenty of counter space for prep and cleanup. Just above, the microwave makes quick meals and reheating easy, whether you're cooking for two or a full crew. Below that, the 3-burner stove gives you the versatility to cook just like you would at home. And yes, it also includes a full oven. Cold storage is no problem thanks to the large residential refrigerator that keeps groceries organized and ready for longer trips. And to top it all off, this floor plan even includes a dedicated wine fridge, a great touch for entertaining or simply relaxing with your favorite drink after a long day outdoors. In the rear bedroom, you'll find a comfortable sleeping space that's perfect for guests or family. The rear bathroom offers great privacy and convenience with a full shower, sink, and toilet, plus plenty of space to get ready without feeling cramped. It's a great setup for guests or kids staying in the back of the coach. Up front, the second bathroom provides another full setup with its own shower. Sink and toilet, giving everyone their own space. The front bedroom is your bathroom treat. A comfortable king bed sits in the slide out, creating extra walking space. While large closets and overflow storage provide plenty of room for clothing and gear. There's also washer and dryer prep, making this Zinger ideal for extended stays or full-time RV living. With great lighting, modern finishes, and plenty of space, it truly feels like a bedroom from home.